Hi guys, I'm Steex, audio video production, and today I'm trying out the Plasma Coil pedal by GameChanger Audio. So I don't want to talk too much, I just want to show you how this pedal sounds. So let me introduce my routing. This is my Gibson Les Paul standard with pickup Anico 5, I guess. I'm going directly to my Plasma Coil pedal and then to my Driftwood Purple Nightmare amplifier in channel clean, basically the first channel. Then I'm going directly to my custom-made cabinet with some warehouse speaker. Actually, right now I'm using the Warehouse Retro 30 speaker. It's very similar to the Vintage 30 and it's mic'd up with the JZ microphone from the V11 series. Okay, I'm not using only this microphone, I also have a room mic, a stereo microphone, Loden Audio LA120 in ORTF position. Okay, so let's listen how my setup sounds without the pedal, so the basic. So a really pristine clean. Let's now engage the Plasma Coil. So first of all, how this pedal works. The pedal is basically is keeping your signal from your guitar and will be transformed up to 3.5 kilovolts, which is insane. And the signal basically will be sent to this tube. This tube is filled with a gas, it's a xenon gas, and on the Plasma Coil you can see the orange-yellow color, while in the Plasma pedal you can see the blue color. Basically will produce a fuzz sound, and the behavior of the lighting, this is due to the gas that will be ionized by the signal and then will produce this fuzz effect. It's really cool and really smart. Also cool to see. The knobs are two knobs of frequencies, low and highs. The high frequencies you have to care about this because it will destroy your ears. Then you have the voltage control, which is the gain, the volume control of the output, and then you have this cool control which will engage some octave, upper octave, lower octave, double lower octave, double up octave, depending on the position of the pedal. But this behavior will be engaged with this foot switch, and this foot switch can work in two ways. Basically, one way is without the latching mode, so like this. So only if I press the switch and hold the switch, the sound will change, will be engaged this behavior. Otherwise, you can switch here on the back to the latching mode, and when you press it stay on. Okay, the first position is basically a boost. Will add much more gain and much more volume. The second position will be the lower octave. As a behavior like a jumping effect, no? This is because I'm using the bridge pickup. I think that with the neck pickup that will keep more bass frequencies will produce a more stable effect. Okay, changing, we have, I cannot see it, a double lower octave, which is insane. Wow. Then we have the upper octave. But it's very cool to make this effect, of course, with your feet in non-latching mode. So it's really cool to use this effect. Then we have the lower octave, one lower octave and one upper octave together. Let me engage the latching mode. And finally, we have double lower octave with one upper octave. Okay, can create a really weird sound, but it's really cool. I like it. So guys, you have in the link description all the gear I'm using right now, also of the pedal. If you want to purchase it, if you want to try it out, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my channel. If I have to improve something, let me know with the comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.